Today we are going to do some very short questions. We are starting with identities. These are very simple. I think you all know, but we are revising here. A plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay. What is a minus b whole square? That is your a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, then what is a square minus b square? This is your a plus b, a minus b. Okay, now come on, the next identity is what? X plus a into x plus b. That is your x square plus a plus b into x into ab. Then next one is a plus b plus c whole square. What is the identity? This is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Now see, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc and plus 2ca. Now next identity is a plus b whole cube. What is a plus b whole cube? A cube plus b cube plus 3ab in bracket a plus b. Here a cube plus b cube plus 3ab in bracket a plus b. Then what is a minus b whole cube? You can put minus sign directly there and get the things. It means a cube minus b cube minus 3ab in bracket a minus b. Okay, a cube minus b cube minus 3ab in bracket a minus b. What is a cube plus b cube? A cube plus b cube means what here? It is very important one. A plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. And one last one is a cube minus b cube. This will be a minus b, a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Yes, this is question number 10. 7x plus 2 whole square. This is just like a plus b whole square. What is a plus b whole square? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Come on. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, put like this 7x, 7x, 2 and 2. 7 square is 49x square. 7 to the 14. 14 to the 28x plus 4. Okay, now the second one. A minus b whole square. This is looking like this. 5x minus 2y whole square. A minus b whole square. This is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, 5x, 5x, 2y and here 2y. This is 25x square, 5 to the 10, 10 to the 20xy plus 2 square is 4, 4y square. Isn't it? Now the next one. This is 100a square minus 1 upon 121b square. Just you think. See the square numbers. 100 is a square number. Isn't it? A square, that is square number. 121 is square number. Okay. So what can I do here? Like see. I can write 10a. 10a. Okay. Because 10 square is 100 and 1 upon 11b. Then what will this is looking like a square minus b square. That is a plus b into a minus b. We can write 10a plus 1 upon 11b. 10a minus 1 upon 11b. This is the thing. Okay, one more question, same one. X square upon 16 minus 49 upon y square. This is looking like again a square minus b square. I am converting in standard form. a square minus b square. I can write x because 16 is there. 16 is 4 square. Okay, here 49. It is 7 square is 49. Y square you can write y. What is the answer? X upon 4 plus 7 upon y. X upon 4 minus 7 upon y. With the help of identity, a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. This is very important question. See here. Important one. X4 minus y4. Can I write in this way here? X square to the square, y square to the square. Okay. Then this is just looking like a square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b. That is a plus b. X square plus y square. A minus b. This. Now you see, this is as it is. X square plus y square is as it is. And see, this is the same identity. Looking like a square minus b square. Then what will come? X plus y and x minus y. X plus y and x minus y. How can we get 41 square with help of identity? Okay, can I write 41 in terms of this 40 plus 1? This is looking like a plus b whole square. And what is a plus b whole square? You all know. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Come on. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, 40, 41, 1. What is square of 40? 40 into 40 is 1600. 1600. 1600. 40 to the 80 and then 1. 1681. This is the square of 41. We have to find out square of 49. How can we get it with help of identity? See here. 50 minus 1, can I write 49? Then here a square minus 2ab plus b square. This is your 50, 50, 1, 1. It is 2500 minus 100 plus 1. 2500 minus 100 is 2400 and then 1. The answer will be 2401. You can get answers quickly. Okay, because we are doing now very short answer type questions. Here 52 into 48. With help of identity, how can I get it? 50 plus 2 and 50 minus 2. Okay, just like a plus b into a minus b. That is your a square minus b square. Come on here, a square minus b square. This is 2500 minus 4. Okay, then what will come? 2496. This is your answer. Okay, now the next one is very nice one. 2x plus 3y plus 5z whole square. That is a plus b plus c whole square. What is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Now what is a? A is here 2x. B is 3y. And what is c? Clearly it is 5z. 2x, 3y. 3y, 5z. 5z and 2x. Then last one, 4x square. 3 square is 9y square. 5z square means 25z square. Plus 3 to the 6, 6 to the 12xy. Plus 5 to the 15, 15 to the 30yz. Plus 5 to the 10, 10 to the 20, 20zx. This is the thing. Now the last question. See here. This is a minus b minus c whole square. what is your a square plus b square? Use the same formula, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Now clearly you see what is a? A is here 4x. See, b is what? Minus 3y. I am writing here minus 3y. What is c? Minus 2z. What is 2ab means 4x minus 3y, then minus 3y minus 2z, minus 2z and then 4x. Then what will come last answer? 4x square whole square means 16x square. Minus 3 square, that is 9. Okay, plus 9. So 9y square. And here 4z square. Plus minus minus. 4 3s are 12. 12 2s are 24. xy. Minus and minus plus. Plus sign will come. 2 3s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 12yz. Plus minus minus. 2 2s are 4. 4 4s are 16 zx. This is a plus 5b whole cube. This is looking like a plus b whole cube. What is a plus b whole cube? A cube plus b cube plus 3ab in bracket a plus b. See here, what is a? A is here 3. What is b here? It is 5b. Now put a cube plus b cube plus 3ab in bracket a plus b. What is a? A is here 3a. This is 5b. Here 3a. Here is 5b. Here 3a plus 5b. Now check. 3 3s are 9. 3s are 27a cube. 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125b cube. Okay. What will come? 15. 15 3s are 45. 45ab in bracket 3a plus 5b. Now what to do? See here, 27a cube plus 125b cube plus 5 3s are 15, 1 12 and 1 13, 135 a into a square b. Okay, one more is left. 5 5s are 25, 2, 5 4s are 20 and 2, 22. A, b is 2 times ab square. Okay, like this way you can solve. Next one, this is a minus b whole cube. Okay, what is a minus b whole cube? A cube minus b cube minus 3ab in bracket a minus b. It means you have to put minus sign here. A cube, then minus b cube, then minus 3ab and a minus b. A is your 5a and b is your 4b. Okay, 5a, 4b, 5a, 4b, 5a minus 4b. Okay, this is 125a cube. Okay, 4 cube. 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64. 64b cube. What will come? 5 4s are 20. 23s are 60ab. Then here 5a minus 4b. Simplified, 125a cube minus 64b cube. 60 into 5, that is 300a square b. Okay, here is minus, here is minus, minus minus plus 60 into 4, that is 240. 240 a b square. Okay, like this we have to solve. Come on the next, 64x cube plus 125y cube. Two cubic terms are there. It means this is looking like a cube plus b cube. What is a cube plus b cube? A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. I am converting in standard form. See here, this is the standard form of a cube plus b cube. What will be a? That is 4. 4 cube is 64. Then x. here is 5y. That is a plus b, then a square minus ab plus b square. What will come? 4x, 5y, 5y. Here 4x plus 5y will come here. Then here 16x square, 5 4s are 20xy plus 25y square. Question number 24. 27p cube minus 8q cube. Okay, this is looking like a cube minus p cube. And what is the formula of a cube minus b cube? A minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Come on. First I am converting this. That is 3p. Here is 2q. Now then a minus b, 3p minus 2q. Then a square plus ab plus b square. What is a? 3p, 2q, 2q. Now the last step, 3p minus 2q. This is your 9p square, 6pq plus 4q square. This is your fifth question. 0 of polynomial px is equal to 7x plus 5 is. It means you have to find 0 of polynomial. How to get this? It means px is equal to 0. 7x plus 5 is equal to 0. 7x is equal to minus 5. What will be x? Minus 5 upon 7. This is your answer. Now the next one. Px is given to you x plus 8. You have to find px plus p of minus x. Okay. Px is your x plus 8 is okay here. P of minus x means at where x you have to put minus sign. And then plus 8. X plus 8 minus x plus 8. X to x cut, 8 plus 8, it is 16. This is your answer. Okay, it is very good one. Now come the next. If px is equal to this, you have to find p of 2 root 2. Okay, p of 2 root 2. That is 2 root 2 square. 2 root 2 is this. What is 2 root 2? Is 1. 2 square is 4. And root 2 square is 2. 4 2s are, what will come? 8. Can I write directly 8 here? Again, 2 square is 4. Root 2 square is 2. That is your 8. Next one. 2 2s are 4. And root 2 into root 2 is 2. 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. Then 1 is your answer. Next one. If x plus 2 is a factor of this, find value of k. If x plus 2 is a factor of, then what will be the 0 of this? 0 of px will be what? That is minus 2. And value of px, p of minus 2 will be 0 because it is given to you. Factor of it, put value 3 minus 2 square, k minus 2 and minus 4. Minus 2 square is 4. 4 3s are 12. Minus 2k minus 4 equal to 0. 12 minus 4 is your 8. And here is minus 2k. If I send that side, this will be plus 2k. And k will be 8 upon 2. That is 4. That is your answer. Now the last one. When x power 401 plus 401 is divided by x plus 1, what will be its remainder? How can we get it here? First of all, you get 0 of this. That is minus 1. Okay, it is clearly this is minus 1. Now put value here. Minus 1 whole power 401 plus 401. minus 1 having odd power. Okay, this will be minus 1. And here is 401. Answer is 400. Yes, the question is the coefficient of the highest power of x in Px. What is the highest power? See here, highest power is 6. What is coefficient of x power 6? Here is 1. It is 1. Okay. What is the degree of Px? That Px is what? It is 3. What is the degree of 3? It is 0. Degree of 3 is 0 because degree of any constant is always 0. Number 32. See, you have to find factors of 4x square plus x minus 5. Okay. After multiplication, what you want to say here? 5 4s are 20. And after subtraction, you have to find out 1. You have to get 1. Find two numbers whose subtraction is 1. That is 5 minus 4 and multiplication is 20. Okay, this is the name of method is middle term splitting method. See, 4x square on place of 1. What I am writing? 5 minus 4. Okay, 4x square, 5x minus 4x minus 5. Take common here. See, what is common? Only x. 4x plus 5. Then minus 1. 4x plus 5. What is common? 4x plus 5 is common. What is remaining? X minus 1. That is x minus 1. Okay, next question. Factors of this x cube minus x. What is the main thing in the factor? First of all, you have to check common number, common variable. Okay, common variable is coming x here. This is x square minus 1. Okay, we can get factors of this easily by a plus b, a minus b method. X plus 1 and x minus 1. This is your answer. Last one is, see, 2x square plus 9x plus 7. Okay, we can get directly by middle term splitting method only. Okay, so check it. After multiplication, I want 14, and after addition, I want 9. That is 7 plus 2. So 9 I am writing in terms of like 7 plus 2. Okay, then what? Now see here. 2x square plus 7x plus 2x plus 7. Okay, now I am taking common. What is common factor here? X. That is 2x plus 7. Here what is common? 1. 2x plus 7. Then what is the last thing? 2x plus 7 into x plus 1. This is your